Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Joe Mike, and I am back? Question mark? Yeah, I'm back, but I'm not going to be here on YouTube. So this video is to tell all of you who are subscribed to my YouTube channel that I am moving over to Twitch. So every Sunday night, I will be streaming on Twitch, and you can find me at Joe Mike Makes. I'll have the link to my Twitch channel down in the description of this video. But I wanted to invite you all to come on over with the new live stream interface, because I always felt that doing live streams was more fun than doing the produced content. And with the time constraints on my life right now, with being a father, having a full-time job, and just everything else that comes with life, the live stream format just fits better. And I want to get back into this. I want to get back into talking to you all about this awesome technology that is 3D printing and even everything else that has entered into our maker world. So yeah, join me on Twitch every Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. Pacific Time for a hangout. I'm going to be doing my thing on Twitch, talking about technology, doing projects. I've got some awesome projects lined out, and we're just going to talk and chat and shoot the breeze during the whole thing. So there's a lot of interaction there, and I love that idea of being able to interact in real time with all of you. So please come on over to my Twitch channel, hit that follow button, and I'll see you this Sunday on Twitch. Y'all have a great day and happy printing.